Hi, Schnetzel here. Today is the day for another guitar-based topic video, and I already unpacked my tuning device, the Donner DT-2. I think it's a very beginner-friendly tuning device for your acoustic guitar, but also for your electric guitar. So let's check the device. You can see it's a Donner DT-2, and on the back there is a button you can start it with. And here, behind this window, is a battery. It's a little knot battery, CR2032 lithium. Well, don't throw it in the garbage bin. So on the back there is a little button you can push to start this tuning device. And if you turn it around, you can see you can use it also for bass. And if you push the button, you can see ukulele, violin. So if you want to play violin, it's also good. I don't know what this means, but I just click it through so you can check it. And of course I don't have the user manual any longer, but for the next unboxing, of course, I kept everything so we can check the user manual. But this time there we have guitar. We will check this device just by learning by doing, and of course we will use guitar. Of course it's easy to mount. You have you have this clip here, and this clip we will put on the upper part of our guitar. I will show you. I have my guitar ready, so I will play one
string
after another. And you can see if you get the right tone and note, it will shine green on the device. There you have it, green. Green light is good. Okay, I think I could tune all
strings.
But anyway, you can see you can really fine tune your guitar. Let's check what the Donner DT-2 will cost. So there we have it. I choose Amazon. And yeah, you can see the price for shipping it to Denmark. I choose Denmark this time. Is well, including the nice item you can get here. It's €8.39. But I don't know what it will cost in your country. But you can see there you have your nice, easy beginner tuning device, and I think it's very nice. Of course, e-guitar with the e-tuning is really basic for, I think, the basic styles of playing rock and metal, but not all kinds of metal, because death and black metal will tune down their guitars, and that is a topic for me in the later video, of course. But this, I think it's a very nice, clear sound, and the device is pretty neat for the beginner use. It's okay. I think it's okay. But this brand Donner, I think it's nice. I like the name of it because it's yeah, you know, German. But anyways, have a nice week and see ya.